Hi there everybody, I'm Jerry, and I'm pretty excited because I was just sent this nice two-piece modular sofa that is completely boneless. That means it doesn't have a frame, which means it comes in these tubes in a nice box, and they're all sealed up. This brand actually sends some nice cutters, which is great. We're going to simply cut this open, and then I'm going to let it sit for about 72 hours, so that way it can fully cure, and we'll discuss. So this, you can already see it's got this non-slip surface on the bottom. This is, again, they've sucked this thing all the way down. So let's go ahead and cut this open so we can see the initial reveal here. There she blows. It's going to flump away. This thing is going to be huge. My gosh. Let's get the other one put together so we can see what it looks like right after we pull them both out of the bag. So even just a few seconds after being out of those bags, I mean, this thing is huge. It's like a big cloud. Very nice material on this. I'm going to go ahead and let this sit, like I said, for the 72 hours, let this thing fully plump up, because it does take a little bit of time to get that last like 10 or 15% plumped up. Did come with 3 pillows. Of course, they look like little pancakes right now, but I think they'll fluff up too. So let's go ahead and give it a little bit of time, and we'll show you the reveal. Now, we've let this thing sit, and I mean, this thing is amazing because it's springy, very comfortable, very luxurious. This nice soft chenille fabric is extremely inviting, very comfy. I'm loving the fact that this has really deep seating. I'm 6'2" and about 195 pounds, and I mean, this has plenty of support, but the seat depth is about 27.5 inches, so even I have plenty of thigh support and everything. The back is very comfortable, and it's low profile, so it doesn't block any of your views. Now, this is modular, so it means you can move this piece and adjust them in a variety of different ways to kind of fit your room setting. It does come with these 3 really comfortable pillows so that you can position those wherever you need to. So if you're going to be lounging out, maybe for a movie night, and you want to be able to lounge out with your buddies and watch the movie, plenty of length on this guy. Plenty of width. Is 44 inches across on this, so it's got a lot of width in this as well. Comes in a variety of colors and would fit pretty much any space.